Hi, my name is Kendra Thuis, and I am a dairy farmer way up in northern Wisconsin in Mellon. I farm with my husband and father-in-law, and we milk about 130 cows, usually. So, I want to talk to you all about how difficult it is for probably all dairy farmers, but I'm going to speak especially for those that are smaller and further away from things. So being that we are 2 or 3 hours away from a lot of our suppliers for like sawdust and feed, it costs a lot more to get some of that stuff. So that in turn is harder for us to make any kind of profit, and it's beginning to not be able to even be enough to pay ourselves and all of our bills, therefore meaning more and more debt, which I am getting very upset with. And right now I am doing calf tours, so that's why I'm moving all over the place. But I just want to know why we are getting $14 per 100 pounds of milk that we produce, and this is about the same number we were getting 20, 30 years ago. Now, how can we keep making this work when everything costs more to produce, but we're making the same amount of income? You know, they keep saying, find ways, find ways. Well, most of that ends up being somebody working off of the farm. Well, I think this really stinks, because when you work on a farm or live on a farm, that's like your life. That's what you do. So how are you supposed to go out and get a job for 20, 30, 40 more hours a week? And it's very frustrating to me, because it's not like we're sitting here on our butts, like being lazy or something, because I think it's important. You know, we're trying to make a product to feed people, and if you like to eat, I like to eat, well, I think that's a good thing. So I don't know what the answer is, and I'm really feeling like I don't even know how we're gonna stick with it much longer, because it's getting so bad, and it makes you feel dumb sometimes. Like, why do I keep doing this when it costs more to feed the cows than it does, you know, than you're making? But for me, I do it because I love it, because it's all I've ever known. I was born on a farm, raised on a farm. I've lived on a farm for 33 years. Even when I went to college, I went and I worked on the lab farm there. So cows have always been my life. The calves, they're my babies. In addition to my 2 human kids, they're my babies. Morning and night, I feed them. So, I don't know what the future holds. It makes me so nervous, and I am just putting everything out there how it is right now from a small dairy farmer in far, far, far northern Wisconsin. So thank you for listening to that.